Did you know that yawning isn't just a sign that you're tired? There's more to it than meets the eye. Scientists believe yawning is your body's natural way of cooling your brain. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of air, and that rush of oxygen helps lower the temperature of your brain, keeping it sharp and focused. But here's the interesting part. Yawning is contagious. Ever notice that when someone near you yawns, you do too? That's because of a phenomenon linked to empathy. Your brain mirrors the emotions or actions of those around you, and yawning is an example of that connection. And get this, humans aren't the only ones who yawn. Dogs, cats, even snakes yawn. But only humans and a few animals like chimpanzees and dogs find it contagious. So, the next time someone yawns and you feel the urge to follow, just remember, it's your brain keeping cool and showing empathy.